Greetings from Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada, and having walked in the rain at night and in the afternoon, I'm going to say what I think is the sister city to Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. We'll walk a little bit more, let you gather your thoughts. A bit New England, I might add. But a bit quiet too. I've already figured it out. My decision, but I'm going to give you a few more glimpses to pick yours. It looks like there's some construction here, so it might not stay that quiet after all. All right, New London, Connecticut, United States of America is what I'm seeing as the sister city for Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada. I highly implore you to visit for yourself. This is the island. Maybe you've come up with a different sister city. Till next time, keep exploring and enjoying from Sydney, Nova Scotia, Canada.